Hello, and welcome to your Tuesday 2-Minute Writing Tip, episode number 6. I'm Irene Latham with a special edition coming to you live from the Florida Keys, where we're celebrating our youngest son, Eric's graduation from college. Today, I'm thinking about what changes I want to make in the new year. I don't know about you, but sometimes I struggle with carving out time to write. I've got this new project I'm really excited about. But what happens to me is I get caught up in all sorts of other writing before I get to that project. I'll answer my email, create an invoice for an upcoming school visit, prepare a blog post. I love marking things off my to-do list, and tackling these things first gives me a quick win. Look at all the things I've accomplished. But there are days when I've got so many little tasks to tend to that I never get to the new project that I'm really excited about. So, for 2022, I'm going to switch things up. In the ER, they prioritize patients. Someone who can't breathe is seen before someone who requires stitches. Both patients need care, but whose condition is more life-threatening? This year, I'm going to triage my writing in a similar way. Instead of getting sucked into the vortex of tiny tasks, I'm going to give my 15 minutes, half hour, 2 hours to the project that matters most to me. Then I'll tackle the email. And yes, this may mean some things don't get done as quickly as others or I might like. That's okay. I'll leave my desk knowing I gave the best to the writing that matters most to me. So, take a look at your own daily habits and establish some priorities that protect and honor your writing relationship. Happy writing!